tech is not just the technology, hard software, semi side, but it's your retail, it's your communications, it's your entertainment, it's your buying, and it's now your healthcare and healthcare services. So that tech side, which has a strong weight in North Asia, it continues to be attractive for us.
How does that view, though, marry with comments that we got out of Samsung just in the last week or so when it was out with its earnings saying, yes, the chip side of the equation might hold up, but going forward, things like smartphones and televisions will be terrible?
Well, that is true. I think that this is really about a re-gearing of certain kinds of tech. And the television margins have been poor for quite some time. But this is a look into tech services, into cloud, into the new chip cycle, which Samsung did reference as well, and also the semiconductors equipment, which has become almost the new utility. You know, you need these semiconductor equipment companies, which there aren't too many of, to provide that input into semi-manufacturing. So, you know, there is a bifurcation, but I think that if your investment thesis focuses on where we see the strength in CapEx within these companies and the gearing towards 5G, which is not going away, then there are plenty of opportunities still.
What about the US side of the equation? US equities, of course, it was a fairly lackluster session overnight. We've now got US futures pointing to gains ahead of the reopen later on tonight. But what about some of the tech names there? Do you see it as a short-lived bounce, the likes of Netflix or Amazon? Are those attractive given, of course, the current state of the global economy?
I don't think it's short-lived. I think that Amazon is the retail space now. I think that in the attractive names within the U.S. semiconductor space continue to look attractive in semis and semi equipment, and in the communication space as well. There's going to be some hit to the entertainment and media side, of course, but again, I think if you look selectively, that technology looks okay. The real worry in the U.S. is now the political side of things as we start to think about what rhetoric means for trade war again, which nobody wants to see.